In this video, I'll show you how to update the page title tag of a Shopify collection. As an example, here's the collection on my site with the title of sale, but if you look closely at the browser tab, you'll notice the collection page title tag says demo collection. As you can see, it's much different from the collection title, so let's go ahead and change that. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account. Once you're inside Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, click on products, and then select collections. Right here, look for the collection that you would like to add. In my case, is this one, sale. Let's open it. Now scroll all the way down, look for the search engine listing section, and then select edit. And here's the page title section. As you can see, in my case, it says demo collection. To ensure that the page title always matches the collection title, just simply highlight everything that's in the field and press delete on keyboard, and then save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the collection page. And as you can notice, the collection page title tag has been updated to sale and now fully matches the collection title. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.